you guys. Undo your brake. Oh, yours isn't shaking either. You guys gotta make sure it stays in the bar. Sure. So like his is falling off. Won't come off. Yours is tight. That's a good one right here. You see how I can pull it and it stays in the bar? Sure. Cool. All right, so for this, now to tighten them, the pressure when we cut with chainsaws, the pressure's always on the bottom of the bar, which means it's an upward pressure. You see how there's movement on this bar? Hey, can you do that elsewhere, please? Thank you. You see how there's this movement on this bar? Sure. Okay, so we want to always hold it up as we tighten these things up. So use one hand to hold it up till it stops, tighten it up. Now, the tightness we want is once it's up, we want to be able to pull the chain down with gentle ease enough to where we see 3 of these, but they don't come out of the bar. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's try that, all right? And then once you get it all tight to that, then tighten up your bar nuts, good to go. Look at you, man. Just go slowly when you tighten it, make sure it fits in the bar properly.